Hello class 8th student, here we are going to revise chapter 6 book exercises. Let's start. Exercise A, choose the correct option. Question number 1, which of the following is an endangered species? You have to give the name of the species which is endangered. So one-horned rhinoceros is the endangered species about all of them. Second, which of these is not an effect of deforestation? We know deforestation is the process in which the cutting down of the tree is done on a large scale. So in which of these is not effect? Which of these is not an effect of? So we see here reduced biodiversity, increase in greenhouse gases, increase in soil erosion, and occurrence of tsunami. So the occurrence of tsunami is not a effect of deforestation. Come to the question number 3. The species of a plant or animal found exclusively in a particular area are referred to extinct. The species of a plant or animal found exclusively in a particular area are referred to as extinct species. Come for the next one. Climate change can cause which one? A change in the migration pattern of bird, correct. Loss of habitat of sea turtle, correct. Decrease in the population of living animals in polar region, it's also be correct. So all the above is, the option is correct here, that the climate change causes all these things. Come for the next question number 5. According to the red data list, the dash animals are facing a high risk of extinction in the immediate future. Means which having the high risk of extinction in the near future, that is known as critically endangered. That species known as critically endangered. Come for the exercise B. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Here some words are given to you. You have to fill it accordingly. Question number 1. Dash is the process by which a fertile land become a desert. That is desertification. Siberian crane is an example of dash animal, migrating animals. Dash is the innermost zone in the biosphere reservoir. That is core. Innermost zone is core. Dodo is an example of dash species, extinct. Excess of CO2 in the atmosphere leads to increase in the temperature, resulting in global warming. Now come for the exercise C. State whether the following statements are true or false and correct the false statements. First one, forest fire can cause deforestation. It's true. A well-balanced ecosystem can overcome natural disaster. True. A well-balanced ecosystem can overcome natural disaster. True. Third one, invasive species do not cause any harm to the ecosystem. We know what are invasive species. Those are come from the another place, means the native place of another species, and some species are come from outside. So invasive species do not cause any harm to the ecosystem. So it's false. They can harm to ecosystem. Next one, the loss of one species affects the life of many other species is true. We know this thing. In the ecosystem, there are all animals are interlinked to each other. So if a harm of one species, it may affect the life of many other species. Fifth one, overgrazing by cattle leads to soil erosion. It's true. Thank you class. We continue in the next part.